if you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Apex Legends, there are several steps you can take to optimize your gaming experience. Follow these steps to reduce lag and improve performance. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, and run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching Apex Legends, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and bandwidth, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings within Apex Legends. Reducing settings like resolution, texture quality, and shadow detail can significantly improve performance and reduce lag spikes. Step 4. Update drivers and game. Make sure your graphics card drivers and the game itself are up to date. Developers often release updates that fix bugs and improve performance, so keeping everything current is essential. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Adjust your router settings for optimal gaming performance. Enable quality of service QoS to prioritize gaming traffic, and consider changing your DNS settings to a faster server for better connectivity. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience with Apex Legends. Enjoy your game, and may your lag spikes be minimized.